Can't tell you. Buddy Hood. Buddy Hood done whoop me. I'm not even gonna lie.
Doja.
I'ma slow down. I can slow down. It don't make no sound. I need some more now. She wanna tap out. Living like two fam, told me, boy, you better slow down. Done made it out so many fucked up places, I still don't know how. Pretty little bitch gon' fuck for free, she like to go down. When I get it, them cheat, no 1, 2, 3, she don't wanna tap out. So I took my pistol and bought me a chop, so I'ma need more rounds. Tryna sell my pride and put it to the side, but the shit won't go down. Gotta pour all ice, get way too hot for me to slow down. Won't sell my soap, sell anything, I need a stove now.
Yo, what up, all my king, queen, prince, and princess, man? It's your boy Court, aka YK Slim. Back at y'all with another video, man. Y'all seen the thumbnail, man. So today, man, video gonna be step two of me wrapping my car, man. So today I'm gonna go ahead and do the hood of my car. I already did the roof, man. So you haven't seen that video, man, go watch step 1 of that video. As you can see, it still look good. Gloss black, still look good, man. So yeah, about to go ahead and do the hood today, man. So yeah, first time to the channel, man, hit that subscribe button, man, hit that like button, man. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell also, man. It jumped right into it. Hold on. I didn't record, but I already cleaned the hood, man, washed it. I clayboarded the hood, as you can see. The hood was real nasty when I got it back. As you can see, it clean now, so I got it all, had to clayboard that. So I washed it, clayboarded the hood, wiped it down with some alcohol, man. So now I'm finna go ahead and start the wrapping process.
Young Millie.
Hey, let's run up Come on. Big dog, straight off the leash. Niggas can't fuck with me. Got the moves. NYC, and I ain't going broke, way please. I don't even plan on going broke. Got so much, man, motherfucker, way choke. Hit it out the park, man, home, I'm so dope. Niggas really can't even really catch me though. Big dog, straight off the leash. Niggas can't even really touch no me. Focus on the bag, man, I don't get no sleep. Boy from the city that don't need sleep. Got my shot, I don't miss. Bobby Lee, chill. Stepping on the scene, mean, fresh like that green. Damn, Hulu Radio, catching these plays, they can touch me though. Ooh, feeling like a super way to start. Young thugger, baby, I'm a shoot away star. Stoner, that's my life. Already know I'll pay that price. You know I'm a cop it if the shit look nice. Ooh, fabulous, she can't even breathe. Ooh, she really standing next to me. First young nigga that she ever seen, please. She know that she had a double take, and she said she wanna put me on her plate. I'm rocking that shit old school, feeling like Soulja Boy, you a baby Nate. Shit, I'm beating on my chest, sleeping on me like Tarzan, yeah, look at me. Tick with the top, tick with the top. Oh shit, looking at me. From the way back, way time, way line. I think it's dang time just for me. You know that I'm a goddamn shoot that 3. Limitless rain, green with the beam. Ooh, shit, I'm ballin' with the big baller brand B. Looking at me, big dog, straight off the leash. Niggas can't fuck with me. Got the moves. NYC, and I ain't going broke, way please. I don't even plan on going broke. Got so much, man, motherfucker, way choke. Hit it out the park, man, home, I'm so dope. Niggas really can't even really catch me though. Big dog, straight off the leash. Niggas can't even really touch no me. Focus on the bag, man, I don't get no sleep. Boy from the city that don't need sleep. Got my shot, I don't miss. Bobby Lee, chill. Stepping on the scene, mean, fresh like that green. Damn, I'm moving so cool, moving so all in my zone. She had to go goddamn ET, had the phone with the home, get off my motherfucking phone. We block her, I'm blocking that hoe. You know, I got no love no more, but I hit my way, bro. Scoop 'em up, Tostito. Know that I got that motherfucking sauce. I'm eating so good like a Ricky with the raw. And throw me that ball, Marshall Lynch dough. I think I'm about to go and win beast way more. I'm feeling like, man, I'm in my bag though. Cool, and I ain't even really goddamn trusting these way hoes. She gotta give me that young blue, give me that throw, baby. On her head game way crazy. Jerry, I just hit it out the park. I can't wait till I get that screw. Push man button with the start. Big dog straight off the leash. Vito's just made the hardest to beat. You already know who the way kid way be. Favorite lineman with that beat. Way boy from the city that don't need big can't fuck with me. Got the moves, NYC, and I ain't going broke way, please. I don't even plan on going broke. Got so much, man, motherfucker, way choke. Hit it out the park, man, ho, I'm so dope. Niggas really can't even really catch me, though. Big dog, straight off the leash. Niggas can't even really touch no me. Focus on the bag, man, I don't get no sleep. Boy from the city that don't even sleep. Got my shot on, I don't miss. Bobby Lee, chill, stepping on the scene, mean, fresh like that green. Come on.
Young Millie.
Man, Doja, they been hard like.
I dumb it down so long I hit the floor coming up. You might say he a real one, but he ain't one of us. And we might sell a big E, but we don't fuck with her. Came from the south side to my downtown, we going north. And I've been feeling the rain in my cup, I'm about to drown. Yeah, you know that I'm a shine, I got white gold on my neck. And they know where I'm calling places, but my city, they might call me man. Know that they can't stay here, I'm a light but shallow Shanda. Don't wanna ball for the green too long, and I might spawn. Shoot like a rocket, it ain't face, but you know we came from hard. It's in my pocket, I'ma spray. Shoot them just like germs. And I get clout every day, but it ain't my turn. And if you sit in my space, then you know I earned it. Worth it, I deserve. I use that fighting, they get nervous. Know that it's a purpose. Even though you were my first bitch, I hate you like the worst bitch. And I ain't come from Cleveland now, but I've been bleeding. Everything gave away, I'm receiving. I make your 3-hole like TLC. Know that I be creepin'. And we gon' slide to us, I count, we gon' spray off. No, they can't work for me, I jump them all like a layoff. I get my chips and then I dip on fire like a layoff. I'm drinking on that Quavo, get offset, then I take off. So when I hit the floor, coming up. You might say he a real one, but he ain't one of us. And we might sell a big E, but we don't fuck with her. Came from the south side to my downtown, we going north. And I've been feeling the rain in my cup, I'm about to drown. Yeah, you know that I'm a shine, I got white gold on my neck. And they know where I'm calling places, but in my city, they might call me man. Know that they can't stay here, I'm a light but shallow chandeliers. Hanging with 3, then you know that's a group. Hanging with 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, send me a bleak. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 bells. 16, 17, almost down. 18, 19, 20, I got 20 reasons I wouldn't even tell. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, No nigga told 30s on they clip like they got no more time. Tired of going back and forth, they feel like overtime. Fuck, I feel like that I'm up one, but I always get even. My dog said he ain't get no letters, but he stuck up in a pen. And if I shoot that fire, I never lie, I ain't talking about no gin. And I've been walking down that go road, I just bought me some new kid. When I clicked my heel 3 times, I didn't go home when I was in that pen. I've been the GOAT since I was a child, I'm feeling like Billy. The former on a cash cow. Take my shirt off, these bitches pass out. Got a nick in my cannon, I wild out. Give me burn from the top like a freestyle. Got some racks in my pocket, they peep out. My boy shoot from this just like Lou Walsh. I make them sick and they key call. I ain't fucking with them, they got blue balls. I took a detour, found a new route. Thuggin' with my gun to get top off. I hope and I pull like a wolf dog. Turn a brick house to a stick. I'm number 1, can never be 2. Hanging with 3, then you know that's a group. Hanging with 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, send me a bleak. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 bells. 16, 17, almost down. 18, 19, 20, I got 20 reasons I wouldn't even tell. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. No nigga told 30s on they clip like they got no more time. Too tired of going back and forth, they feel like overtime. They ain't having no action, you ain't having no motion. I'm smoking on sauce, little bitch, I be flowing. I'm making these play, no, it look like I'm coach. They gon' run with the light on it, just like some roast. No way you can hang unless you be told. Kept me a play, hit the gate, it's a coast. I know what be that, I'ma fuck all they potion. Know that a young nigga be banging like Sosa. Don't need no bed, we can fuck on the sofa. Burning the brick, he the eye like a toaster. My jury hit different, I know that they know that. Little bit the bum, I made Jack all a loaded. These niggas be capping, it ain't hard to know that. See them outside, they be quiet, I'm outspoken. They run that high, we wrangle like a total. Hit it from the side, shawty leg when he open. I'm lit like a big head to fight to the flame. Reef on my chain, make $1 out your head, turn your head to some chain. Brother with chain, man, this shit really lame. Want me some racks, I don't chasing no fame. Some people that pop on the web, but they screen. In person be different, just got that same name. Just do it for clout, just running they mouth. Run up a check, we still running the south. Stay at they neck like I'm choking them out. Told me they was all in, but they still holding out. Stack it up, but I spend or I be cashing out. I can't shout when I'm dead, so I'ma spend it now. For the hoe in 2 years, but she still was a hoe. For the hoe in 2 days, I knew she was a hoe. The hoe different, but same kind of screaming. I know all I'm saying, no matter how long they gon' go. I pull up, catch a plate, and I'm ready to go. How the hell he got 2 on, but he got 3 posters. That nigga by 2 on my throwing 1 more. No, I made me a son, I come run in the store. When I preach to the choir, man, I feel like a pope. Nigga too clean, I should make me a soul. They can't ride in my lane, cause a young nigga float. Know that AL gon' sing like they ain't having no action, you ain't having no motion. I'm smoking on sauce, little bitch, I be flowing. I'm making these play, no, it look like I'm coach. They gon' run with the light on it, just like some roast. No way you can hang unless you be told. Kept me a play, hit the gate, it's a coast. I know what be that, I'ma fuck all they potion. Know that a young nigga be banging like Sosa. Don't need no bed, we can fuck on the sofa. Burning the brick, he the eye like a toaster. My jury hit different, I know that they know that. Little bit the bum, I made Jack all a loaded. These niggas be capping, it ain't hard to know that. See them outside, they be quiet, I'm outspoken. They run that high, we wrangle like a total. Hit it from the side, shawty leg when he know. If a nigga won't smoke, we gon' pay like a pope. Nigga won't smoke, we gon' blow out some dope. Put on for my city, I'm giving a hope. Gotta keep a few pole like we casting a vote. Clown on they head, but this shit ain't no joke. If I say that my daughter, you know that my bro. She kinda shallow, but got a deep throat. All I heard of my kids every time that she spoke. Nigga be bitches, they can't even be dude. Know I be sipping when I'm on my mood. Say I'm a high head, but I play it cool. She giving me knowledge, I dropped out of school. Made my own rules, I don't follow the rule. The shower just fuck some, cause she like my jewel. They acting funny, I'm acting a fool. I'm thinking got over, I will act the same. I don't know the shoot.
Boy. I can't tell you. Buddy Hood don't whoop me. I'm not even gonna lie. It don't whoop me. But it look alright though. But I do have some defects in it. But I mean, I can rap it again later on, but yeah, man, it's alright. It's alright for my first time. See it matching the roof now, man. So hey, it look alright, but I do got some defects in it. I will show you the defect. I don't know if I heat it up too much right there because of where the crease is at. And, you know, I can't get the bubbles and creases and stuff out. And I probably could, but, man, that ain't my bad, y'all, but probably could sweat it. Yeah, I probably could get it out if I take my time, man, go back over it. But yeah, I do have some defects in it, but it's all right, man, for it to be my first time doing it. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the results. Hold on. Here you go, man. Like I said, I got some defects in it. But so far, it look all right. You can see that defect right there by the, right there. Coming along good, though. But I did mess up right here also. I can't get the creases and stuff out right here, man. But man, other than that, and right here, got to figure out something, man. As you can see, messed that up also. But so far, man, look alright. Can't complain. what y'all think, bro. Besides the defects, tell me what y'all think, bro. And coming along for it to be my first time, I get it. Sooner or later. Yeah, man, that's it. That's the video, man. It's your first time to the channel, man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell also, man. Thank y'all for watching the video, man. Step 3. Step 3 will be the next video. Pretty sure y'all already guessing it. Did the roof, did the hood, so you know what next. Go ahead and do the trunk next. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the trunk next, man. Hopefully I can continue trying to fix this, the hood. But yeah, the trunk will be next, man. I might do the doors also. But let me know if I should do a giveaway for the person that can guess what color I'm gonna do the car. So yeah, I'm gonna do the hood, roof, and the trunk, gloss black, but the car will be a totally different color. So I think I might do a giveaway. Thinking about doing probably a $100 giveaway. If somebody can guess the color, man, it's one of my subscribers, man. So yeah, let me know how y'all feel about that. Doing that giveaway. If you can guess the right color, man, you will win my giveaway. So man, stay tuned, man. Appreciate y'all for watching the video, man. Thank you everybody that's been supporting me so far. Can't lie, bro. Everything do look good from right here, though. I know it's mad back up, but man, yeah. But first time to the channel, man, hit the subscribe button, man. Hit that post notification bell also, man. With that being said, to all my king, queen, prince, and princess, man, it's your boy Court, a.k.a. YK Slim. Look alright, though. Can't lie, look alright. That's it, man. And just step 2, bro. Step 2. It look alright, though. Can't lie. Trunk will be next. Trunk next. Think about getting another spoiler also. I really don't like that spoiler. But here you go, man. Here you go.
Doja.
I'ma slow down. I can slow down. It don't make no sound. I need some more now. She wanna tap out. Living like too fam, told me, boy, you better slow down. Done made it out so many fucked up places, I still don't know how. Pretty little bitch gon' fuck for free, she like to go down. When I get it, them cheat, no 1, 2, 3, she don't wanna tap out. So I took my piss, went and bought me a chop, so I'ma need more round. Tryna sell my pride and put it to the side, but the shit won't go down.